Hello. If you were going to have a hen party, just if. I was just wondering what we'd do.
If I were, and I'm not,
Right.
I suppose we'd get massages, drink some champagne, and have a bit of chocolate. Okay, a lot of chocolate.
Well, you're lucky I'm a princess. Mum and I see how hard you've been working.
It's lovely.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Where's the chocolate? But we can't be expected to do everything. Or can we?
It's the biggest chocolate fountain ever. How did you do this?
Oh, we know a thing or two about being covert. Now then, your spa day awaits. We'll have drinks and chocolate, a little pampering.
And you'll be in bed early.
A toast.
Hello, royal subjects. Thank you for checking out the YouTube channel, and I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss even one moment of my royal shenanigans.